Good afternoon, students. Let's see Science and Technology, Standard 9, Chapter number 10, ICT, Information Communication Technology. In this chapter, we learn components of computer, importance of information communication technology, economical sources of information technology, uses of information communication technology, and different type of information about information communication technology. Also, we learn three softwares in short view: Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft PowerPoint. These three softwares included in Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Office package useful for each and every office because Microsoft Word is text editor, Microsoft Excel is data management systems and mathematical calculations, and PowerPoint for presentations. So let's see information about this chapter step by step. Okay. See students, page number 107 or chapter is 108. Now, information communication technology, the new direction of progress. See this. Importance components of a computer, different type of software, importance of information communication in science and technology, and opportunities in the field of computers. Because information communication technology is most important part of our life. This age depend on data and information. Each and every place use data and information with the help of machines. Which machines? Computer. So let's get information about computer. Students, which device do we use directly or indirectly for collecting, sharing, processing and communication information? Which device you are using currently? Mobile. Mobile is also a computer. Okay. Now, next. See this. I share you this information with the help of computer. Okay. The term of information communication technology ICT includes communication devices and the use of those devices as well as the services provided with their help. The store of information generated due to the advance in science and technology is increasing at a tremendous rate, means very fast. if we ignore these explosions, information explosions, if we ignore the information, the knowledge that we have will become outdated. Means what? Outdated means useless. Okay, so okay, currently useless, not useless only, but just currently useless. Now, next, how is the information communication technology important for dealing with the explosion of information? Device used in information communication technology. Different devices are used for producing information, for communicating, classifying, saving, and storing information, meaning information, etc. For example, see this device used in information communication technology. Which device? Computer, mobile, etc. For example, telephone is used for sharing information by conversing with someone. Okay, not storing data. Okay, the following table has names some of ICT devices, information communication devices. Complete the table based on the question asked. Also, enter the name of any additional devices that you know of. Okay, see this. What is following tables? Each and every current devices included into it. But if you know additional devices that you enter it into it, where into this table. Okay. Now, one computer laptop. What is used for? Each and every use. Entering data, collecting data, transactions, operating machines, different types. Okay. Where is it used? Home to industrial area. Each and every place. Okay. And benefit from it. Its use. How many benefits? You can calculate it. You can make budget your home. You can pay bills through it. Different works you can complete with the help of laptop and computers. Okay, students, I'll see you next video because time is limit now. Okay, I'll be continue next video.